Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Well, I've just done an hour or so in the park. Check the camera, didn't even record. No, don't worry. Ooh. It was a good ride as well. There we go, back on the trail. Well, today I wanted to go on my bike and just let you know a little bit about what I'm riding and what I carry with me and what we ride. The bike itself is a Haibike 6.0 SDURO Cross. It's not the fat tire type, the fat tire type, the mountain bike type. It's more the gravel bike type, thinner tires, but it's good for purpose. It's got a Yamaha POV motor, which puts out about, I think it's 70 Newton meters. Which is really good and it suits my needs. They say it's good for canal rides and light trail riding, but take this absolutely everywhere. It's good for everything. Yeah, it's good for everything. It's got I think it's a 500 watt battery, which is enclosed. On the back rack I carry a first aid kit, which is a military style one, and I just zip tied it to the frame. You can buy purpose ones, but I never seem to get ones that fit right, so get a military one. They're built to last, and they're good for what you need them for. Can't believe I did all that ride. I didn't even press record. But sorry about the air. I haven't got any, so yeah, I'm not sorry. Yeah, let's get back to the bike. I'll move it from here because there's a no. Workout resumed. Oh, back to the bike. Yeah, it's a 20 speed. It's got a XT front and back mech and SLX shifters. I did upgrade the brakes when I got them, when I got the bike. But made no difference whatsoever. Slow it down. Eventually bring you to a stop. The other upgrade I did was I got rid of the pedals that came with it because they was just nasty. Usual cheap pedals you get with bikes. Sorry again about the workout resumed. Yeah, it's just watch, card and everything. Yeah, and as we move forward from the bike, we've got the pedals. Then I've got the real estate bar on the front. It's this thing, just so I can mount the cameras to it, or whatever I need to mount to it. It's just a cheap thing from Amazon. Absolute pain in the ass to stick a put on, but it works.
All the grass buttons derailing out.
So, cheers, buddy. Oh,